I'm from DTC Couriers and Cargo Limited, and we had set up our office in UK way back in 2000. Since that day, we have been sending loads to that place, and it has been growing and growing day by day. In fact, if you really see in our courier trade, London is said to be the biggest hub where you can route all your things throughout the world from London. See, you say Latin America, say Africa, say Canada. We have been doing this for years. In fact, I spent 28 years in this industry, and London was the first most hub and the oldest one. In fact, even today, if we the kind of load we send to UK is amazing. You know, with all those Indians around there, and the kind of things we send from here, all those their needs. You know. Yes, of course, it's a very profitable experience, and the way things are going, the business is growing day by day, as I told you about it. Even today, we are looking forward when it comes to, in fact, if we really compare it, it is the second biggest lane after USA, where we send a lot of load to UK. A lot of things goes from here, the garments and the leather, you can say, even now Indian stuff has started going, Indian handicrafts are quite well used to this. So all these things keep on going from here, and this is really going every year. You know, the load toward UK is going towards getting to the tune of 25–30%. Yes, initially there was some challenges, but we still feel that getting a visa to UK is not so very easy. Sometimes we have to, and if you really compare it, the people, I mean, to pay people over there for working is not so very easy to start with. But gradually, as the business grows, things look easy now. Now we are in a very comfortable position, and very soon we'll be growing more bigger over there. See, first we were only in London. Now we have gone to other places like Leicester is there, Glasgow is there. We have opened up offices over there. As the business is growing, we are opening our branches. And in fact, we have started having franchisee over there, because many people are asking goods from India itself. So, and we are trying to reach every part of UK.